Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, Monday, January 27, 2025. This is an earthquake report for just offshore New York. We actually are showing two, a 3.9 and a 4.0 off of Portsmouth. We have a 4.0 at 18 kilometers depth. The 3.9, 13.19 kilometers depth. So once again, in line with the undersea mounts volcanoes. I am not saying that these earthquakes are magmatic related. However, I am going to be watching the tsunami buoys closely. If anything is activated, it will not be because of a tsunami wave. I say again, it will not be because of a tsunami wave. Periodically, this buoy here and this buoy here go into motions in the absence of earthquakes because of uplift of the ocean floor, because of any magmatic pressure here on either side of these undersea mounts. At this time, we have nothing activated. At this time, there's no indication of any heat. Let me refresh this to see if there's a third one. So just the two for now. So I'm quite sure there's going to be some felt reports around the Portsmouth, Durham, Dover, Hampton region, maybe further. That is all for now. I'll be back.